let's take you through the visuals of Mumbai coming in. A fire that broke out at a building in Lower Parel area of Mumbai. 4 fire engines are at the spot. This is a multi-story residential building that has caught fire. My colleague Arunil Saradekar joining us on the broadcast with more details on this. Arunil, what is the situation right now? We understand 4 fire engines are currently at the spot trying to douse the flames.
Well, Pratibha, my video journalist Binayak Pengulekar basically is showing us these visuals. The fire basically broke out on the 22nd floor. This is a 61-story building, and this is the second such instance in as many as last 1.5 years that such kind of a fire has broken out over here. Now, what exactly is the reason for the fire, that is yet to be ascertained, but you can see the fire brigade team is trying its best to contain the fire. Now, why this is the kind of a risky situation, Pratibha, is because this is at a height, and at such kind of a height there is a strong wind that is blowing. Mumbai being an island city, there is a strong wind that is generally noticed at such kind of higher floors, and because of that these smokes or minor fires that break out, this was a major fire. Now it has been relatively contained by the fire brigade team, but there is still a risk that it can again blow up as well because of the wind that is blowing at such higher floors. Now, this is a 61-story building. Basically, the fire brigade team also, they generally have to use all the evacuation routes to reach this place. All the people who stay in this building are being evacuated. That's what we understand. Nobody has been injured or no casualties are being encountered. We'll speak to the local social activist over here. आप बताइए कि ये second such instance देखने को मिला है. बहुत सारे skyscrapers, बहुत सारे ऐसे sky rises हैं मुंबई में. क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है इसमें, मेनली क्यों बार बार आग लगती है?
सर, ये आपने बताया सेकेंड टाइम नहीं, थर्ड टाइम आग लगी है. हमने 2 साल में देखा है, तीसरी बार आग लगी है. दूसरी बार जब आग लगी थी तो एक व्यक्ति, इनका सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने अपनी जान गंवा दी. मुझे ऐसा लगता था, हमने बीएमसी पे मांगनी की थी, उनसे मांगा था कि कम से कम बिल्डिंग का ऑडिट हो, फायर ऑडिट हो, उसके बाद ही लोगों को रहने दिया जाए. लेकिन बीएमसी ने कोई दखल नहीं दिया, कोई नजर. मुझे लगता है बीएमसी का बहुत बड़ा काला बाजार इसमें दिखाई देता है कि इनके बीएमसी के जितने भी रूल्स होते हैं वो छोटे लोग के लिए होते हैं, गरीब लोग के लिए होते हैं, जो छोटी बिल्डिंग उनके लिए होता है, लेकिन हाई राइज सोसाइटी के लिए लगता है बीएमसी स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है. तीसरी बार एक घटना हो रही है, आदमी जान गंवा रहा है. मुझे लगता है बीएमसी को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए.
Pratibha, one more important thing that we need to note over here is these sky rises are, many such sky rises are there across the city of Mumbai, and is there a need to have a different kind of rules, guidelines, safety measures in place for these sky rises, because evacuation and containing of fire becomes a Herculean task for the fire brigade team as well. Reaching these locations becomes extremely difficult. But yes, there are some exit routes that have been made by the builders so that when such kind of fire incidents take place, people can be evacuated. This particular builder of Avigna was under the ambit of investigation last time when the fire had broken out. It was a very scary scene that was being seen when a person had to literally jump because it was literally in the middle of a fire, and unfortunately he couldn't be saved. He lost his life. So now at present we can say that to a very large extent the fire has been contained, and soon the cooling operations or the cooling process will be initiated by the local fire brigade team, and after that only we will be able to ascertain and say it in a confirmed manner whether there were any real injuries, whether there were injuries or any casualties. As far as the preliminary information that we are getting, we understand that there was nobody who was staying inside this particular flat on the 22nd floor.
Okay, all right. So the cooling operations are currently underway, Arunil. But any word on what was the cause of the fire? Any other places? How many houses were perhaps affected because of the flames? And any measures that are now being taken up to ensure that things are under control?
Well, Pratibha will try and speak to some people who have gathered here as well. ये local activists जहाँ पे जो gather हुए, आपको क्या लगता है अगर आपसे बात करेंगे, ये बार-बार ऐसे स्काई राइजेस में आग लगती है, क्या सेफ्टी मेजर्स लेने चाहिए आपके हिसाब से?
पहले तो अग्रवाल जो बिल्डर है उसको अरेस्ट करना चाहिए कि उसका जो पूरा सिस्टम है फायर का, ये सेकंड बार हुई है आग लगी. देखो उसके बाजू का जो फ्लैट है वो भी जल चुका, अभी भी काम नहीं हुआ है, अभी भी फायर है उसमें. तो प्रॉपर अग्निशामक दल का पूरा ऑब्जर्वेशन होना चाहिए और पूरा सर्वे होना चाहिए। ये इतना आग लगने के बाद पूरा उसका सिस्टम क्यों नहीं चल रहा है?
Well, you asked the question, Pratibha, as well about what was the cause of this fire. That is yet to be ascertained. The fire brigade team will be conveying it to us or relaying it to us only after the rescue operations are completed and the cooling off period is over from their end. However, my video journalist Vinayak Pengulekar is showing you these visuals of the fire in a high rise, which is Avigna Park in Lower Parel, a relatively commercial complex. There are commercial complex, beg your pardon, and there are many such sky rises in this Lower Parel area. Whether there should be more security measures that will be required from these sky rises, considering the risk that has been involved, reaching to these higher floors also becomes a major and a very Herculean task for the fire brigade team as well. Now you can see the height of this building as well. Vinayak will be showing you the height of the building as well. It is around 61 story building, and when fire generally breaks out because of the wind, the fire usually moves to the upper floors as well. Around 2 to 3 flats have been severely affected because of this fire.
Okay, all right. Arunil, thank you for joining us with that ground update. The fire has now been doused as confirmed by the officials. We're shifting